Oh, girl. Oh, girl. Alright, let me put some earrings in. I'll be right back. Bonjour Mon Petites, it is I, the fabulous Crease, back with a new video, and in today's video, we are going to stop and we're going to give this shot a thumbs up because I'm feeling this look, you're feeling this look, and that's why you clicked on the video, right? So anyway, today's video is all about this gorgeous, gorgeous rainbow sunset half-cut crease inspired by the beautiful Chantel Monique. I'm going to drop her info, her YouTube page in the description box below. Make sure you check her out. The girl is very talented. There's not much else to say about this look because this look is one of those looks that kind of just does the talking for itself. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, please keep on watching and I will catch you on the other side. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're feeling this video. So we're just going to jump right into it. I'm starting with the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm going to use this golden yellow at the bottom. And I'm going to use a nice fluffy brush to spread that around because it's my transition color. And I want to carry this up pretty high because I have hooded eyes, so my cut crease kind of goes a bit above my crease. And I'm putting this yellow on kind of heavy because even though it's my transition color, I want it to be pretty prominent. Like I want to be able to see the actual gradient that this went through. All right, now I'm gonna take another fluffy brush, a little bit more dense, and I'm going to use reddish orange color in that same 35B palette. Everything I'm using is from the 35B palette, unless I say so. And I'm gonna put that right below that part. Now I'm just gonna take that brush with the orange, and I'm not even gonna put any more product on it. I mean the yellow, I'm sorry. And I'm going to just blend those two a bit more. All right, now same brush that I had that orange color on, I'm gonna take this hot pink that's right next to the orange, and I'm going to put that right on top of the orange. Okay, now I'm going to take another fluffy brush because that's just what we're doing. But this is gonna be a more dense fluffy brush, and then I'm gonna take this, oh, I don't know what color this is. It's from Colored Rain, and it's this pretty, this pretty purple color, and actually on camera that's actually true to the color. It's very similar, if you want to stick with the 35B palette, it's very similar to this purple right here. I'm just gonna put this on the outer corner and start pushing that into the crease, like into the crease. And you want to build that color up, and we just want to make sure that we're like really blending. Blending. Okay, I'm pretty happy with that. So now I'm gonna start cutting my crease. Okay, so I went ahead and did my other eye off camera. So now we're going to, like I said, we're gonna cut this crease. Now, here's a quick tip. If you are not good at cutting your creases, and if you have hooded eyes like I do. So what you wanna do is take a little bit of your concealer. I'm trying to stay in frame. You want to take a little bit of your concealer, right, and put it right at your lash line, and then look up. Now you see that I've left a transfer mark on my upper eyelid, whatever the hell, whatever that is. That's where our concealer is, that's where our cut crease is gonna go. Oh, this ain't even the brush I use, girl. I'm tripping. This is the brush that I use, and I like to use a round brush when I'm cutting my crease, so it kind of just follows. So all I have to do is follow the shape. So I'm just gonna stamp it on. So now I have my outline for my cut crease, and all I have to do is just fill it in. So now I'm just gonna take my finger and blend this on out. I'm funny about my cut creases being dumb clean, so sorry. All right, so now we're just gonna set this whole thing. So now that we got that set, we're gonna go back into that Morphe palette, that 35B palette, and we're gonna take the exact same colors that we used to do the gradient down, we're gonna do the gradient across. If I could find my brush, because I don't know where my brush is. No, for real, I don't know where my brush is. This shader brush that I'm using is a Morphe brush, and it's kind of fluffy, and I like that because it helps when I blend the shadows together, that I get this nice seamless gradient. You know what I'm saying? My shit don't look all choppy and blocked up. If you want to block it up, then fine, that's cool. But that's not the look that we're going for today. So I'm going to take my yellow. I'm going to load this brush on up, tap off the excess. And I'm just going to place it on there. I just want to make sure that the line for the cut crease stays clean. Now we're going to start packing it. Now we're going to go into that orange, and I'm using the same brush. So I'm going to blend the orange into the yellow. All right, now we're gonna use that same brush and pick up that hot pink that we were using. We're gonna put that all the way right here, and remember, we're just gonna put it on first. Make sure that we get the crease settled and situated. Okay, and now we can start blending. I'm gonna blend the orange out this way into the pink now. Because what happens to the orange is, because it's that middle color, you can lose it very easily because you have two other colors coming into it. So what I like to do is blend forward and backwards, starting with the color that's going to get lost. And that way we don't lose it. And because I'm using the same brush to do all of this, all I'm doing is wiping it off in between colors. All right, I'm pretty satisfied with that. So now I'm gonna take that that crease brush that I was using, and I'm gonna pick up more of the purple, and I actually went into the brighter purple right above that dark purple in the Morphe palette. So I'm gonna mix that with the Colored Rain purple, and I'm gonna tap my brush off a little bit, and now I'm going to blend those two together. Now I'm just going back in and just making sure that everything is blended nice and good. And finally, I'm going to take that yellow from that big fluffy brush, and I'm going to put that on top of everything. Alright, so now I'm going to take this white eye kohl from Rimmel and do my waterline. And then I'm going to take the jumbo eye pencil in Milk from NYX, and I'm going to do my lower lash line. I'm going to take this shimmery blue, and I'm going to put that on my waterline and my lower lash line. I'm going to throw on my lashes and finish my eyebrow, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now I'm just going to finish the rest of my face. I'm using my black opal setting powder, True Deluxe, whatever this is called, in the shade Dark. Now I'm going to contour using my Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. Alright, now I'm going to highlight with my fave, my brand new fave, Meraki Cosmetics. I am using the shade Phoebe. I don't need all that. I don't need all that. For lips, I'm going to line with my usual Nicka K brown liner. All right, now I'm going to take the shade Earth Tone in the NYX liner. I'm putting that right on top of the brown because it has like more of a reddish tone to it. All right, now I'm going to take my concealer in Pure Beige, my LA Girl concealer in Pure Beige. And then I'm going to take NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Maple Blonde. Really? Maple Blondie? This look like a Maple Blondie to you? This look like any kind of Maple Blondie. Anyway, it's called Maple Blondie. And I'll put that on top of everything. Oh, that's cute. Yeah, girl, that's cute. Oh, let me spray my face. Set it down. Okay guys, so that brings us to the end of another tutorial with Trice, and as always, if you enjoyed the video, which I really hope you did because I really enjoyed creating this look or recreating this look, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up. You know I would greatly appreciate it. Subscribe to my channel if you have not, and make sure you follow me on Instagram at @callme_Trice, same as the YouTube name, same as the Facebook name. It's all the same. We trying to keep the brand consistent around these parts, you know what I'm saying? I think that's all there is to say, and there is no more, except as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, love you, love you, and I will catch you in the next video. Mwah. Bye.